giving them that father figure structure. That's what we do at the academy. Yeah. Striving for success. We got the head man over here. He done finally made his way up to the top for some reason. I don't know what happened. You know what I'm saying? He had to go through circumstances to get it.
Yep.
I hope he don't leave it this time, you know. Don't leave your position.
I'm not.
See, when you be a leader, they all, and it's like, wow, they working.
So you just got like a YouTube channel I don't know about?
Yeah, I gotta do, look, I gotta do what it do. How you like it? Come here. What you like about over here? What you like?
Learning stuff new,
Right,
get paid,
right,
and having fun.
right. Look at this guy right here. What you think about him?
He's a
think
good
about-
mentor. He's a good mentor.
You think he's a good mentor?
Mhm.
What he taught you?
He taught me how to scrub the rims good. He taught me the good ways, how to don't miss a spot. No spot left behind.
Right, all right. You heard it out of his mouth. That man said you're a good mentor. What you think about that about yourself?
I think a lot about that.
Huh?
That's a good thing.
I mean, you're an improvement, huh?
Yeah, a lot.
When you got people that say that about you, you know that's a lot when somebody say that about you.
Yeah.
You know? So, Volume 1, Deep South Academy, 2019. Yeah, that's where we at. Working our way up.
A little bit about the academy and what you do at the academy.
Well, what I do with Deep South Audio and Customs, when I first started the academy, I sold I had a pimped out Cadillac Eldorado. I sold the car for 20 grand, and I bought a van and a snack machine. And the snack machine used to put gas in the van to bring the kids to outgoing places, just getting them out of the house. And you know, some of them parents used to be strung out on drugs.